Doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a website for selling online courses. The platform that I recommend you use is Gumroad. The reason why we'll be using Gumroad is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can get started for completely free. When it comes onto Gumroad and pricing, you will be charged a 10% fee whenever you make a sale. So technically it is free to use Gumroad, but let's say for example you were to sell your online course for $10, they'll be taking 10% of that, which will work out to $1, and that is their cut. So they won't be making any money unless you make money. So all you need to do is go onto gumroad.com. From there you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on Products. After selecting Products, you are going to tap on New Product in the top right-hand corner. After you have selected New Product, you can add in your product name. So for example, I'll call it Test. Then I'm going to select Course or Tutorial. After you have done that, you can set the price that you would like to sell it for. Then you are going to scroll back up and tap on Next and Customize. Once you have done that and you're on this page, all you'll need to do now, you could add a description of your product if you want. You could also add a cover image for your course right here. So I could upload a cover image. Let me do that real quick. So I'm going to be using this image as my cover image. After I've done that, you can see how the product page will look on the right hand column right here. Now you can scroll down and you can add additional details and so on if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Content from the top left hand corner of the navigation bar. After tapping on Content, from here you'll be able to add your course content. So you have a few options. You can either choose to type out the course content right here, and you can also insert videos and images if you want, or you could tap here and from here you could insert a file. So you could upload a computer file as you can see right here, or embed a video. You can also tap on this small section to create additional pages. So you could create numerous pages for your course, and then from there you could input the information. Once you're finished doing this, you'll tap on Save Changes in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can tap on Publish and Continue. After tapping on Publish and Continue, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you'll be provided with a URL that you can copy and you can share. Another thing that you can also do on Gumroad is you can edit your checkout page by tapping on Checkout from the left-hand menu option. From there, you can tap on Checkout Form, and you could add custom fields if you want, or you can edit it by adding upsells or so on. You can also use Gumroad to set up email marketing. So for example, you could select workflows, then you could tap on new workflow, and from there you can start your email marketing for abandoned cart, or you can message persons after they have done a purchase or so on. And to receive your payouts, you'll tap on Payouts from the left hand menu option. Then you'll tap on Settings, and from here you can add in your country and location, and then you'll be able to connect Stripe or PayPal to your account. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.